Hello everyone, this is Donna, and this is my entry into the Polka Dots Hey Barbie challenge put on by Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dorie at Dorie's Dollies for April 2024. I had actually created a video and put it up on the 17th because I thought the 17th was the day. So I took it down, and it's later on in the afternoon of the 17th as I'm filming this. And hopefully this is going to turn out to be a better video than the initial video was. Anyway, I wanted to tell you a little bit about this outfit. I could have put Barbie in traditional polka dots, but I like to take that and interpret it any way you mean to go a little my style. So this would be a skirt that I might have actually made for myself at one point in time. Did I? No, but I probably would have if I'd have seen fabric like this. Anyway, the top and the skirt are made from a sloper block set that I bought for the Made to Move Barbie. And the pants that I made from this in the top could actually be used to make a moulage for the doll. And I could put on the skirt portion and actually make a nice tight-fitting dress form for her. This is my first attempt at the top, the bodice from this block set. And this is a first attempt at a skirt from the block set. I did a little bit of creativity by adding the front side slit, and I added her a waistband on this, which you can't see because of the top. The little boots that she has on are actually rainbow high boots, and they were in one of the red boxes that you could buy at the store. Anyway, if you are interested in getting the slipper set, I think I got them from a shop called Dolls Up on Etsy. But this is a cute little basic pattern set to allow you to create your own patterns. So I'm looking forward to what I can do with this girl in the future. I'm hoping that going forward, at least things like her skirts will all be lined. You know, I'm going to enjoy sewing for her. I will probably be buying some commercial patterns or patterns from some of my favorite designers, but hopefully I'll be able to style some things myself. Anyway, I can't wait to see all of your entries today, or at least the ones that I can. And I can't wait to see all of the polka dots out there. Until then, or until the next challenge, I wish you a good day. Have fun, and bye.